Hybrid Engine Test System. The software includes 5 modules: hybrid system, cycle engine, hybrid drive axle, HV battery, and inverter. Enter the hybrid system module. We can see the transparent whole car. Some internal components are clearly visible. Select the button on the left, and the corresponding parts will be displayed in the car. Hybrid system components. Cycle engine assembly components. Hybrid drive axle assembly components. Click on the hybrid mode, and the screen will be displayed in the form of animation. At the same time, you can also zoom in to observe the interior parts of the car more clearly. Click on the pure electric mode, and the car will operate in an electric manner. Click on the principal display, and the related video will play. Click on the structure display, and the interior components of the car will have blue contact points. Click the contact point to display the corresponding component name. Click on a component to enter a separate component introduction page.